with Live Infinitely, and today I want to show you our 6-piece yoga set. Our sets come with a carrying case, 2 yoga blocks, yoga strap, a full-size mat towel, and a yoga mat. But let's take a look at each of their features. Our yoga sets are perfect for people of all levels, whether you're just getting started in yoga or you're at an advanced level. Our yoga mat is made of TPE, is 6 feet long, 2 feet wide, it's dual layered, and 6 millimeters thick. This type of material allows you to hold your poses easier as it is non-slip, as well as non-toxic and UV resistant material. The 2 foam blocks included are 3 by 6 by 9 inches and are made of high-density EVA foam, allowing the sweat to wick away while maintaining its shape and form for years of use. The yoga strap that is included is 8 feet long and 1.5 inches wide. It has 2 adjustable D-rings so that you can easily find a comfortable and secure fit during your stretches. The soft and stretch-resistant cotton allows for deep stretching without irritating the skin. The lightweight microfiber towel that is included is sized to match the yoga mat at 6 feet by 2 feet. It allows for a non-slip experience and is machine washable and highly absorbent. Everything packs up nicely in the included lightweight carrying case, keeping everything organized and ready to go for your next session. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help.
Hey yogis, I'm here to do a really fun unboxing video for the 7-piece yoga kit from Clever Yoga. Let's check it out. So it comes with this really nice bag, like a travel bag that you can put all of your gear into for a yoga class. You can throw into your trunk so it's organized when you actually have to get into the yoga studio. So within, we discover a yoga mat. Obviously we need a yoga mat for a yoga practice. So it seems super nice, it's blue. It seems grippy. Looking forward to trying that out. I also have a yoga mat towel and a hand towel. So perfect for hot yoga to cover the top of the towel so you don't slip. And also a hand towel because those come in handy for sure. We got a yoga strap, which is awesome. I like to use a strap a lot in my practice, even though I've been practicing for a number of years. There's plenty of poses that I use a strap to get into self-assist. And then we have 2 yoga blocks. So I also use blocks in my practice because they, again, help assist and support me. So for this, it is awesome. You get all the gear, towels, mats, blocks, straps. So literally everything that you could need to start a practice or to continue a practice. So if you're in the market for some new gear, this sounds pretty awesome to me. I look forward to giving it a try. And I recommend you do the same. Namaste.